Looking for the perfect countertop microwave ovens? Here's what you need to know. The GE Countertop Microwave Oven is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants two-step child lock. This mandatory feature helps prevent unintended use by younger family members, with the option to deactivate it if not needed. Designed to help you space-saving exterior, spacious interior, 900 watts of power and 0.9 cu Ft. Inside allow for effective, efficient cooking while not taking up valuable kitchen space. Glass turntable rotates for optimum cooking. Great choice if you need easy setup. Freestanding microwave fits easily on countertop or open shelf, with 39 power cord. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.